Behind every perfectly crafted jet black Stingray jacket lies an entire journey of material treatment as rigorous as a laboratory process. From the very first jet black Stingray hides, they are moved through quarantine, biosafety control, sterilization by precise steam and chemical systems, then tanning, washing, brushing, stretching, drying, pressing, oiling, and flattening on high-tech automated lines. Every tiny pearl on the surface is carefully inspected under magnification. Every batch is tracked with QR codes before moving on to laser cutting, stitching, lining, hand finishing, and final inspection. In this video, join us as we go inside that closed-loop process, where technology, quality control, and craftsmanship meet, to discover how a raw hide is transformed into a jet-black Stingray jacket masterpiece, ready to be sent out into the world.
Confirmed. Batch flow rate is nominal. Proceeding to inspection stage. Verification complete. Status: passed. Are the stress curve metrics within the acceptable deviation range?
Sequence initiated. Begin primary extraction.
Separation complete. That's a perfect clean pass.
Check print alignment. Ensure adhesion is stable. Check print alignment. Ensure adhesion is stable.
Pressure is stable. Continuing automated cleanse.
Focus on removing the tissue layer, smooth and even pressure.
Focus on the edges. Make sure every scale is cleaned.
Disinfection cycle active. Commence steam injection.
Temperature holding. Ensure chemical dispersal is 100% coverage.
Dry inspection complete. No structural anomalies found.
Scale integrity confirmed under optical magnification. Final check passes.
Ensure even density. The automated spread is good, but check the center.
Smooth the layer over, make sure it covers every bead.
Batch verified. Security lock engaged.
Crate 4 verified. Onward to storage.
Tanning gate opening. Cross-check batch codes before entry. Tanning gate opening. Confirm ventilation scrubbing to limit exposure.
Set the tray securely. Drum seal must be perfect.
Flow rate confirmed. Begin full chemical injection.
Final pH stabilizer engaging. Check discharge pressures. Confirm the delta pH stability. Looks like optimal conditions are holding.
Neutralization cycle safe. System green.
Tension set. Commencing flow test. Coverage is even. Hides are ready for drying. Sheen is optimal. Final application complete. Drying cycle activated. Monitoring thermal stability.
Verifying pearl consistency and surface bonding. Passes visual.
Even distribution. Ensure complete hydrophobic sealing on the beads. Grade A, logging batch status now.
Excellent pliability, confirmed as grade A.
Check the manifest. This batch goes directly to section 02.
pattern aligned. Model 51A confirmed. Send to laser cutting.
Verify the nesting yield. Ready the hide for alignment scan.
Panels B7 stacked. Maintain front panel count.
10 stacks ready. Move this batch to stitching prep.
This panel is complete. Next section.
Thickness gauge remains precise. No variation in grain quality.
Scrap sorted. Ensure non-reusable materials are logged separately.
Applying the unique identifier. Every part must be traceable.
New serial applied. Ready for assembly. Thickness confirmed to spec. Quality pass.
Maintaining tension. Perfect curve on the edge.
Pressing the interlining. Collar shape must hold its form. Forward.
Lining is secured. Check for puckering on the curve.
Perfection. The braided seam is ready.
Zipper base secured. Attaching pocket hardware.
Final quality check. Removing all excess thread.
Applying the final protective coat. Focus on the shoulders.
Stitch continuity pass. Ready for outbound.
Flow initiated. Maintaining even distribution.
Green batch 1A secured. Ready to ship.
Collar set and sealed. Release to outbound flow.
Sealed and protected. Ready for dispatch.
Final pallet loaded. Scanning manifest now.